Our favorite head-to-toe anti-aging products to fight the signs of aging. Aging skin doesn't just show up on your face. Fine lines and wrinkles also affect your body. Our new anti-aging body treatment is a luxurious serum that will help with discoloration and fine lines on your body. This full-body skincare routine will transform your skin from dull to radiant and glowing. Our skin calming body wash is made with nutritive cleansers that gently work with pure essential oils and botanical herbal extracts to nourish skin. Enriched with nutritive omega-rich oils, vitamins and protein to protect, nourish and renew. Our pure, gentle, nutritive, and cleansing formula is made without any artificial fragrance or dyes. At the end of your shower, your skin will feel comfortable and smooth. More than a cleanser, it helps improve the condition of your skin to look and feel its healthy best. Our anti-aging body treatment contains botanical moisturizers to help reveal smoother, softer, and more luminous-looking skin. Banishes dry, flaky skin and leaves gorgeous, supple, healthy-looking skin. A brightening nutritive complex penetrates deep into your skin surface to help re-energize its appearance. Achieve a wonderful, glowing skin tone transformation. Get beautiful, pearlescent and radiant skin in about 8 weeks. Fades discoloration and evens your overall skin tone while minimizing the look of any fine lines and wrinkles. Our anti-aging facial lotion is made with the purest, most luscious skin-loving ingredients. This lotion will nourish, moisturize and strengthen your skin with a blend of nutrient-rich nutritive oils, butters, and essentials. Fine lines and wrinkles begin to diminish in days as your skin is restored and enhanced with the nutritive wonders of botanical squalane oil. The anti-aging eye cream reduces the appearance of wrinkles instantly and works over time to reduce the look of fine lines. It helps fade the look of stubborn crow's feet. Olive squalane oil is one of nature's wonders as it is able to replenish the nutritive levels of lipids to youthful levels. Omega-6 from blackcurrant seed oil increase hydration as the tannins in borage seed oil gently tighten and firm away fine lines. Thank you for visiting Fahmi Beauty Channel. Bless you and take care. I explained to you about anti-aging kit. Thank you.